What's up, boys? Today we're going to be fixing the microphone wind noise, or at least attempting to, with these. These are my mom's gloves. She had them in college, and there's holes in one of the pairs. There's a lot of holes in them. So I'm going to see, they're pretty tightly woven, so I don't know how the sound is going to sound inside. It might be too muffled, and then I'm not going to cut them up. But if they aren't too horribly muffled, I'm going to send it. I might not even vlog if I can't figure this out, so. Because nobody's going to want to watch my video if it's all loud and... Okay, so let's just send it. And that's how I go. So we plug it in. I also got a new microphone recorder, but I'm going to try using my old one to start. The one I originally used. And then we'll try. This is pretty tricky. I don't even have to do it in the finger though. You just do it like this. What is up, boys? I am Sam. Welcome back to another moto vlog. How does this sound? Does it sound good? Does it sound muffled? If it sounds muffled, I don't want it. Let's see. What is up, boys? I am Sam. Welcome back to another moto vlog. How does this sound? Does it sound good? Does it sound muffled? If it sounds muffled, I don't want it. It's still peaking. Let's see. What is up, boys? Hear it? I am Sam. Is going to the microphone settings, select headset microphone, and I can change the gain. So what I'm gonna do is record with this for a few seconds, and then at the 68 gain that it automatically puts it on, and then we'll see. All right. So that's like verified. This one's probably the most bulletproof. So I'm just gonna make sure and check it and see if it peaks, see like what's going on with it. You know what I mean? Because this microphone seems like it has really high gain. And there could be multiple fixtures to fixing that, or ways to fix that, but they just all seem like a pain in the neck, I mean. So let's try this. It would be like here, here. What is up, boys? My name is Sam. Welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. How do you guys like this audio quality? This is the most pain in the neck thing ever, though. Gotta unplug it before you listen to it. It'd be like here, here. What is up, boys? My name is Sam. Welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. How do you guys like this audio quality? Why didn't I record like that before? But I'm gonna try talking louder, because I'm betting that most of my videos are going to be louder, because I yell a lot. What is up, boys? My name is Sam, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're moto vlogging, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he fell off a rock and got hurt. What? That's the tip of the video. I don't know actually what I said half the time there. What is up, boys? My name is Sam, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're moto vlogging, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he fell off a rock and got hurt. What? That's the tip of the video. See, that wasn't even that bad. So we're just going to record it one more time, talking out loud, nice and prominently, and I'm going to put it right in front of my face. See what's up. Hey boys, my name is Sam, and welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. I'm going to see how close my microphone gets to my face before it gets too loud and spikes, and then I'll see. Or if I can put it on this shoulder, maybe down here, or maybe on my forehead. See, this is a lot of what it is. And I still have to worry about, okay, my camera's wrapped around it, but setting up my camera thing, because that was poorly set up, and then y'all only saw me talk to. Hey boys, my name is Sam, and welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. I'm going to see how close my microphone gets to my face before it gets too loud and spikes, and then I'll see. Or if I can put it on this shoulder, maybe down here, or maybe on my forehead. This one's probably the best recorder in general. It means that I'm going to start using this one. If it spikes a little bit, it's not bad. That's just mainly because it's not bad. I don't know. So now we're going to put this in the glove again. What is up, boys? My name is Sam. Welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. Today, I'm just testing out where I'm going to put my glove. Maybe over here. Just ride down the street with my glove, doing wheelies, bro. Sweet. I'm thinking I'm just going to cut this down probably like to here. Sorry, I flipped you off with the glove. Probably cut it down to here. See what where it like ends. I'll probably end up cutting it. Keep cutting it. Because, like, think about it. This is my clip. Right there. It, like, ends. So, I tried to double up phone windscreens Okay, where did that other foam windscreen go? So many little bags. I was gonna try to put this 360 mic one on and like try to make it so like all the little pores were, but it didn't work out. So we're just gonna play this. What is up, boys? My name is Sam. Welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. Today I'm just testing out where I'm gonna put my glove. Maybe over here, just right down the street. See, that's not bad. So what we're gonna do now, I feel bad doing this, but we're gonna cut up my mother's gloves. So I got my cutting utensils, and so we're just gonna cut down the glove. Which one has a hole in it? This one's gonna be my backup. Don't need that for now. My cat's in the background, so you might hear her. Should I make a video just all about my cat? This is probably gonna make me mess, like dust. Yo, this is surprisingly easy to cut. Yo, they don't have some super stylish riding gloves too. If I were to cut all the fingers off. Quite honestly, it looks like a dead cat from far away though. That one finger for poking things like, whoa, whoa, whoa. What am I doing with my life? I am keeping the stock, let's say, foam on there. But now I'm gonna cut it down a little bit more. Which scissors did I use? Sorry. I'm gonna cut it down like a good amount more. Probably. I wish I had do I have a marker? I have a marker somewhere. Let me collect myself and find it. People. I'm recording, aren't I? I can't tell. I usually use the reflection off my TV, but I'm not facing it towards my TV right now. Alright. Cat. Really? Can you not? Just imagine like I slip and just like cut my eyebrows off. Now I got my sandbags class ring. What if I become a DIY channel? Make sure to check with your parents before going on the internet. Alright, I need to cut this another time, but I'm getting towards the end of needing to cut. If I screwed up, I got like 7 others. I would say 10, but a few of them have holes. I almost just sliced that, didn't I? That would have been such a headache. Yeah, I sliced my microphone wire while making a windscreen for it. Guys, you might be asking, why wouldn't you just order one? And that's a really good question. But, first of all, that's dusty. I'm glad I'm not allergic to anything. There we go, boys. Where'd that... I just... Come on. That was my mom's only small thing. I think I lost it. Well, I have another rubber band. It's not as nice. I'd have to double this one over. That might be good. It might double the strength. Alright, let's see. Alright, this is going to be more of a pain than I expected. So, there's going to be a lot of this crap on my microphone now. Quite honestly, I don't care. Boys, we're going to go test it out quick. We're just going to listen to this clip together and see whether I did a good job or not. I don't actually know what to think.
Alright. My mic is recording now. Test this. Getting it clipped to my shirt. As long as I can get it on something. Alright, please. So...
Lots of...
It's still warm out. Alright, I gotta get some good speed.
Alright, let's see.
Under my shirt. So I don't have to go.
Should be good. Depending on how this test goes, and just... It might be screwed up. Guys, It totally works. Alright.
Alright.
There's a background noise.
Is this gonna come on? Think about where I might put it. So now,
Alright, this
I'm
is so
wearing cargo
broken.
shorts for a reason today.
Alright, guys, that was, I'm gonna consider a success. Peace out. That's not a peace sign, but I know. I don't care. Rock and roll. And peace out. Peace.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine.